Welcome to the show, everyone. Are you looking to get into planking, but feeling a little intimidated because you're overweight? Don't worry, planking can still be a great exercise for you, with a few adjustments to ensure your safety. First, let's define what a plank is. It's simply a bodyweight exercise, where you hold a push-up position for a set amount of time. It focuses on building strength in your core, shoulders, and upper back muscles. And it's considered low impact, so you can do it anywhere. So, why are planks great for overweight individuals? Well, they help build strength and stability in your core muscles, which supports good posture and reduces the risk of injury. Plus, they can help improve your balance and coordination, as well as increase flexibility in your spine and hips. By strengthening your core, you can also reduce lower back pain and improve your posture, making daily activities easier and less painful. Now, the most important thing to remember when it comes to planking is proper technique. Incorrect form can put unnecessary stress on your joints and cause pain or injury, so it's crucial to make sure you're doing it right. This means engaging your core muscles, keeping your spine straight, and distributing your weight evenly between your forearms and toes. And don't forget to breathe properly too. Avoid holding your breath, as it can increase your blood pressure and put stress on your cardiovascular system. When it comes to planking as an overweight individual, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, make sure you distribute your weight evenly between your forearms and toes to reduce joint stress. You may also want to use wrist wraps or a soft mat to reduce joint pressure. Building core stability is also important, so make sure to focus on your abs, back, and hips. And finally, focus on breathing smoothly and evenly to maintain stability and reduce the risk of injury. Before you start planking, make sure you warm up with some light cardio and dynamic stretching. This will help loosen up your muscles and joints. You may also want to use a soft mat or wrist wraps, and wear comfortable, supportive clothing and shoes. For beginners, start with shorter hold times, like 10 to 15 seconds, and focus on proper form. As you build strength and stability, you can gradually increase the hold time. Once you're comfortable with the basic plank, you can progress to more advanced variations, like moving your arms or legs, or incorporating stability balls. And for those who have a strong foundation of core strength, even more challenging variations like side planks or plank jacks can be attempted. But, if you're unable to perform traditional planks, don't worry. You can try modified planks from your knees, or alternative exercises like bridges, bird dogs, or seated Russian twists. And remember, always progress gradually, increasing the hold time or difficulty of the exercise only when you're ready. And that's it. With these tips, you can safely and effectively incorporate planks into your fitness routine. Happy planking! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we post new videos and have access to all of our past content.